This is a toy guitar. Today, me and my teammates will be explaining the various engineering disciplines that were involved in the making of this product.
Our product is a miniature guitar that is suitable for children's use. Our product is made up of plastic and strings that is held up together by many screws. This product was made to bring out children's interests and talents at a very early age so that they could find a passion for music or discover a future career in the music industry. The guitar is manufactured in China, then shipped to its distributors.
When our team went to disassemble the guitar, we noticed that the tuning of the keys did not serve as any purpose and was purely there for aesthetic. There could be a couple of reasons for this. First, it's slightly more cost efficient with only having 2 strings instead of 4. Second, the effort to tune it, because most of the consumers are younger and will eventually outgrow the product, it would be pointless to go into great depth. The stakeholders for this product include the parent company, if one exists, the designers, distributors, retailers, and the consumers.
Supply chain engineering refers to the optimization of the production and supply chains through the use of mathematical models. Supply chain engineers are responsible for analyzing business processes in order to make them more efficient. This includes all of the steps from acquisition of raw materials to finished goods. We know that this toy was manufactured in China and sold in the United States, so it's likely that supply chain engineering was used to find the most efficient process for the many steps of production and transportation.
Mechanical engineers played a part in the creation of this toy guitar. Since the guitar was likely mass-produced, assembly line machines were certainly involved in the manufacturing process. When the machines needed to create the guitar were made, mechanical engineers undeniably assisted industrial engineers and manufacturing engineers in the creation of these machines. Mechanical engineers are also used to find flaws in the designs of these machines so that they can be made to create products more efficiently and safely.
Another engineering field that was involved in producing this toy guitar is material science and engineering. More specifically, plastic engineering, which is a subset of material engineering, was also involved in the making of this guitar. As we mentioned before, this item is geared towards children, and in the past, there weren't many safety regulations and guidelines in place regarding safety in children's toys, and because of that, a lot of children were affected by high amounts of lead poisoning and high amounts of other dangerous substances in toys. And essentially, a plastic engineer's job is to develop the specific type of plastic to be used for the guitar, and it must follow the safety guidelines in place to ensure that it won't cause adverse effects. And ultimately, material/plastic engineer's job doesn't include just designing or making the plastic, but it also means ensuring safety.
Lastly, we have environmental engineering. Plastic was the main component for the material of this guitar. Polyethylene is a tough, light, flexible, synthetic resin made by polymerizing ethylene, chiefly used for packaging, plastic bags, and food containers. Since the guitar was produced in a factory, there are regulations in place to limit the amount of pollution, as well as to make it safe and non-toxic for consumers. An environmental engineer's job is to improve the current systems in place that affect the environment. This guitar is non-biodegradable, therefore must properly be disposed of. Well, that's all for this presentation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next one.